welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Are you guys ready to shop? I'm ready to shop. I'm excited. It's a gloomy day outside. You probably can't tell because of all the lights, but it's a very gloomy day outside, which means it's time to online shop. So basically in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all some new home decor pieces. I'm talking furniture, I'm talking beds, I'm talking dressers, I'm talking couches. Like, I found some really good stuff. This is gonna be a good one. I'm excited to show you all of the cool different things that I picked out because you all know, I feel like I'm like, I don't know if I'm the queen of hauls on YouTube. In my heart, I feel like I am, but maybe I'm at least the princess up in here. Like, I'm somebody's princess for home decor hauls, shopping hauls, because you know I go over the top. So if you want to see all of the pieces that I picked out, some new home decor, get some new inspo for your home, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna pull this up on my computer so I look so official. The first thing that I saw are these two coffee tables. It's actually like a two-piece, but you kind of move it together and they make one coffee table. I think this is really pretty. I really like the gold on this. It looks more like an aged brass instead of like a shiny gold. I thought this was really pretty, very glam if you're into that like glam style like me. And then it has a marble top. So I think this is really pretty. Okay, and then I saw this sofa. So if you remember in that video, I told you if you want a couch to look modern, if you like that modern look, a dead giveaway is the arms of the sofa. If they're more rounded, if they've got like the round front, you know what I'm talking about on the arms. This one does not. It's very straight and sleek. It's it's $744. Looks like this, 93 inches long. I thought for the size, this was not bad. I think it looks really nice. It's pretty low, which is again like that modern look. So I just thought this was a really good option. Okay, and this is a random from Wayfair. This is not like under the $500 range, but I still think this is really nice. It is a concrete coffee table. I think for a real concrete coffee table, this is actually a pretty good price. I really like this. I love the square. Again, this kind of reminds me of Restoration Hardware. This dresser, it's about $860, but I think it's so pretty. I love this. If I was doing a room over, or if I was designing a room, or someone wanted me to design their room, I would pick this out for them. I absolutely love it. I love it in this antique black. You all know I'm all about the light, bright white furniture, but there's something about this black dresser that's just speaking to me. It's the hardware, it's the bottom being gold. Like, this is just everything. I love it. So it comes in two colors, and there's also a matching nightstand that I think is beautiful as well. I think this would be a good piece to get either the nightstand or the dresser and kind of mix match. A home really comes to life when you mix match furniture, and I think this is a good piece to kind of be able to mix match. Okay, and I was just looking at that dresser, and how cute is this headboard? I love this in the shade oatmeal. I think this is really nice. $200. I think this is pretty. Again, you can put it with whatever bed frame you want, but I feel like this is like, it's a tufted headboard, but it gives it a little bit more like personality because of the like, what is that, like pleating going down, and I just really like this. I think this is really pretty as well. This desk right here, this desk looks just like a desk that you can find at Cb2. It's pretty much the exact dupe. I absolutely love this. I think it has so much personality. This one is a little bit more pricey. It's $400, a little over $400. But honestly, compared, if you were thinking about getting the one from Cb2 or you like that one, I feel like this is a really good dupe. This is a good option. It is pretty masculine, but I feel like you can make it a little bit more feminine by adding like, you know, like softer pieces, like a softer chair. Or if maybe your husband works from home and he needs his own like little corner, little space, I think this is a really good option because it is like a little bit more masculine with the color. This desk right here, I'm obsessed with this. I think this looks really nice. This is definitely something that I would pick out, that I would buy. I think it's really pretty. I love the gold. I love the white. It almost looks like it's more of like a cream though. It does come in other colors if you want, you know, a different shade, but I prefer the white. I think that's really pretty. I love the hardware, but you could obviously switch that out. Like if you wanted to do like acrylic hardware on this, I feel like this is a really good option. It's a really cool shape. It's different, has personality, and I'm obsessed with this. Okay, I guess I was on a desk kick. This one right here is really, really nice. It's $175. Again, it has the gold and the marble, which I think is really, really pretty. It doesn't have drawers though, so your things are gonna be out on display. But you could obviously get like cute baskets, put like your lamp, your laptop, maybe some flowers, maybe a candle. Like this could be a really cute moment. I know a lot of us are working from home, especially now. You might not have like a whole dedicated room to make your office, but you just have like this little corner. I feel like this is a good option. Okay, I went crazy on Wayfair. This chair right here, I love this. I feel like it's so versatile. You could put this in your living room. You could put this in your office. This could be your office chair. Like there's so many different options. I love the brown color. I feel like that's really, really nice. If you notice that your space has a lot of just like whites and like cream, maybe it's just feeling very flat and like washed out, I recommend adding in some brown, add some tans, add some warmer colors in there. I feel like I say that all the time because I'm trying to do the same. I'm adding more warm colors, adding like natural tones, some rattan, some woven baskets, things like that can really warm it up. Plus adding like maybe some gold hardware or some black or something can really just like bring it to life, add some dimension. So I really like this chair. I feel like initially you would look at this and think like, oh, this is a man's chair or it's manly, but I think adding an element like this into like an overly glam like white space is really cool. It's really different and it makes it feel a little bit more cozy. So I love this chair. Wayfair is like the place to be. Okay, you guys, and moving on to Urban Outfitters. Urban Outfitters is like my new, it's not my new store. I've been shopping at Urban Outfitters for a while, but I only shop like their clothes. And recently I've been looking into their home section, and you guys, like they have the cutest, most unique, out of the box like styles. I really, really like it. I feel like if you are having your first place, your first apartment, you're young, you're thriving, you're out here, this is like who I picture. This blanket, I think this is so cute. I love the tassels. I love that it's fleece. It's gonna be cozy. Can we just take a moment? This headboard right here, this is everything. I'm in love with this. I think this is beautiful. It's so different. It's so unique. And I just really like Urban Outfitters. Like their home decor is so cool. So obviously you can get like a cheapy bed frame and then just put this headboard, and then you have a bed for like less than $350. And I just think this is really cool. This to me is like very youthful, very free-spirited, but I love it. Okay, so moving on, I saw this mirror and I thought this mirror was really, really beautiful. I love the biggest one, like the XL floor. I think this is beautiful. I feel like this is beautiful on its own, but it really, really reminds me of the Anthropologie mirror that everyone is in love with, including myself. I think it's beautiful, but it reminds me of that mirror, but just a sleek, modern version. So I just think this is beautiful. Okay, so next up is something that's pretty small. It is a bed tray. I really like this. Obviously, I like everything that I'm sharing, but I thought this could be really, really nice. I thought this would be a really sweet gift. I thought this could make a nice gift, or maybe you want to get this for yourself because you're working from home, and when you work from home, you work in bed. I just like the fact that it's a rattan material, rattan and bamboo. I like that there's storage on the side. It's very aesthetic. It's just a step up from like a plain bed tray. Okay, you guys, and the last thing that I found from Urban Outfitters is this bed frame. I love this. This bed reminds me of a bed that you can find at Restoration Hardware. It kind of has, I guess, just like a platform. I guess that's how they're describing it. Kind of like a flat, like overhang is how I would describe it. I love this. I think this is really different and unique. This is kind of something that's subtle. Like if I walked into someone's room and they had like this type of style, I'd be like, you're cool. You're a cool person. Okay, guys, so the next place we are gonna be shopping is Ikea. This needs to be your go-to place if you're on a budget or if you just don't want to spend that much money on home decor. So the first thing that I found is this storage cabinet. You can put this in so many different places. I love that it's unique. It doesn't have that like typical Ikea look with like the Alex drawers, which I have a ton of in my closet. Like that just, you look at that and you're like, oh, that's Ikea. You don't even have to think twice. This is something different and unique. I just think it's a really cool style. It kind of gives like a, I don't know why, but it kind of makes me think of like 1950s, like secretary, like this is the vibe. I also really, really like the color, but I feel like things like this, everybody needs in their home. Everybody needs like a filing cabinet, like a storage, like chest or like cabinet or something like that just to keep things in. And I feel like this is a really good option. It's a pretty option. Okay, next up is this bed. I love the twin version, but I love the, what is this, a queen? The queen version. I love the fabric. This is such a beautiful color. I instantly saw the twin size and I thought this would be the perfect toddler girl bed. Like if you have a little one, a little girl, and she's turning 3 or 2 or whatever it is and you want to transition her out of the crib, I thought this could be beautiful because it kind of has like a cream color, but for some reason my eye sees like a little bit of pink, or I feel like pink bedding and like pink accents would be really pretty with this bed. It's only $129 for the twin, and I just think this is really pretty. Okay, and sticking with beds, I feel like Ikea is like the place to go for beds because they're inexpensive, they're different and unique, and I feel like they're very versatile. Like you could have all sorts of different bedding and it would go with this. This black framed bed, I love it. It definitely gives me modern farmhouse type vibes. Very Chip and Joanna Gaines. I feel like it's beautiful though. I love it. This is the picture right here that when I was scrolling and I saw this one, I was like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. This is color done right. I love that the bed just almost kind of blends in. It's not like a statement piece. Okay, and then I saw this bed. I thought, oh my God, I'm dying. UPS is literally pulling up and I'm, okay, anyway. Okay, he didn't see me, thank God. You guys, I still get shy like filming, like I don't know, I can't. Okay, anyway, this bed right here, this is also from Ikea. I love this one. I feel like, again, this would be a good one. If you want to add your own headboard, you could spray paint this. I love that it comes in the natural wood. I love the natural wood. This is only $75. Like I feel like this is a go-to if you are looking for a bed, you don't want to spend that much. This is a really, really good one. Okay, and this last furniture piece is probably my favorite. I love this. Honestly, when I saw it, I was like, okay, someone needs to move into an apartment and then be like, Kara, can you help me decorate it? Because I would go crazy. This is definitely the thing that I would buy. Boom, I'm getting this immediately. This dining room table, I love it. I love that the top is a natural wood and I love that the legs are black, but you guys, this picture right here, this picture sold me. Like this is so beautiful. It's like moody, it's kind of romantic. This is just a vibe. So I love it with the black chairs. I love it with the Billy bookcases in the back. I feel like Ikea nailed it with this one. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, and now the last place that I'm gonna go to, the last place we're gonna be online shopping is H&M Home. I actually forgot that I shopped at H&M Home before, and that's probably not a good sign, but then one of you all DM'd me and was like, oh, you should check out H&M Home. Like, I think you would really like it. I checked it out, and I really didn't see that much because you know what it is? H&M Home is for when you already have your furniture, you already have like the bulk of the things you need for your home, and you just wanna add a little sprinkle of something. Maybe you just wanna get a little bit of extra of this. You want some candle holders, you want something small and just like, oh, that's different, I'll bring it home. It doesn't make a huge impact. That's what I think of with H&M Home. Their stuff is great. I love it. I think it's very aesthetic and pretty, but I don't see a need for it right now. Once I'm done and I'm just randomly shopping, probably, but right now I'm like, no, I need furniture, I need stuff. So anyway, what I did find are these wine glasses. I love like the smoky black gray color of it. I think that's really unique. I feel like this wine glass would look really, really nice with like red wine in it. Like something about it is just a moment. These wine glasses on that dining room Ikea table with like maybe even like black plates and black silverware, like that would just be a very romantic vibe. You could have like some dark greenery on the table, very holiday. And yeah, I really, really like these. This is definitely something that I would pick up, but it's glass and you know my luck with glass. So yeah, you guys, that is it. You guys, I feel like I found some really good pieces for affordable prices. So let me know if you like this video, if you want me to continue doing things like this. Make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and honestly my new content, like me and this new home decor content, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.